Can we start now? Are you all excited?
I am not accepting co-education in my country.
And confidence only developed by when we study together in our environment.
Assalamu alaikum everyone. How are you all doing? All are doing fine? All are doing fine? All right. So today it is a special day. Why it is a special day? Because I have got a surprise for all of you. I've got a surprise, and the surprise is we have got a debate competition in our class, in our conversation class. All right. So the topic of debate is co-education. The topic of debate is yes. So are you all ready? Can we start now? Are you all excited? I don't see any kind of excitement on your faces. Are you excited? Loud and clear? All are excited? All right. So the first pair of this debate. So we have got the pair for the debate. Pair हमारा आ गया है. All right, Zameen, you can just come here, little closer and more, little closer. Upward, fine. So we have got the pair. Now, Miss Zameen and Mr. Momin. Both of them are going to debate on co-education. अब ये लड़ेंगे and they will fight each other. अभी यहाँ पर एक बहुत मजेदार सा झगड़ा होने वाला है and we will find out who wins at the end. Ready? Both of you? Okay, let's start. Please go ahead.
Assalamu alaikum to all. My name is Momin Hamza. Today I feel honored to have a debate. So today I stand against of co-education. So let's begin.
Assalamu alaikum everyone. So this is me Zameen Marshal on the behalf of English. And so today I am standing here to speak about the topic co-education, and I am very honored to speak on co-education system.
I am not accepting co-education in my country because I know the environment of my country. It's famous all over the world. If I talk about UK, America, India, I know, but it totally depend on the environment. If I talk about our country, environment is not good, and therefore we should avoid this. We should remove these things from our country. So this.
So if I am the favor of co-education, if I talk about the co-education system is not very old. As the private education institute got established, first co-education system was established in the Greece. The first school name is Archbishop Tension Church in England. The 10 boys and 10 girls are studying together in the co-education system, and it was established in England. Now it was in South London.
So you are telling about the England. So what about our country? So you told me about the England, like it is established by the it is established by England. Like the first school was in England. So what about the Pakistan? So we should avoid this because I know the environment of our country. It is not good because due to the co-education. If I talk about the quality of education, so it is going down day by day due to the co-education.
No, who said? Who said to you that our country down day by day due to co-education? Do you know the benefit of co-education? We can kill our fear by the help of co-education. If I talk about the girls and boys, they learn something new from the boys, and girls learn something new from the boys as well. So if I talk about the other benefit of the co-education is you can make better communication skill as well. If I talk about the if a girl who feel hesitation, shyness, if she perform activity in front of the boys, she build our confidence level. She build ourselves. She build her confidence level, and she don't feel hesitation in front of the boy. Then if I talk about the boys, they don't feel hesitation and fear in front of the girls. The basic level of the you learn the advantage of co-education.
What is your response to this? She says it builds confidence.
According to me, we can easily get from the education. So there is no need to establish the co-education in our country. Do you know if we learn separately, like boys separate and girls separate, so it means we will learn we learn gradually, and we learn many things because of the because of the education.
Because separate education.
Separate
Co-education is
education.
useless. Co-education is useless. What is it?
Co-education it is not a useless thing. If you learn in a private, if a girl learn in a private school, like a girls school, and boy learn
Separate. If a
separate
girl gets education.
gets education in a separate college, separate boys learn in separate boys college. So how can we build our confidence level? Do you know about the do you learn about the thing that we live in a 2024, so we make ourselves like a confidence person, and confidence only developed by when we study together in our environment.
What do you say? Is it right?
Actually, as you said that like co-education has a lot of advantages, like we can enhance our confidence, we know the communication skills by the help of co-education. If we know these all things, so why is our government not accepting these things in our in our education? For example, if I talk about their colleges, schools, institute, so they don't want to merge both, like boys and girls. Why government
thinks
is
that separate education
Yes.
is better.
What do you think about it?
Government sometimes separate education are also good, but if I talk about
Is separate education
is good, but as this modern in this
In the
modern
modern
in
era.
this modern era,
Yes.
we should learn in a co-education system. If I talk about the
What are the other advantages of co-education apart from confidence building?
confidence level. The other advantage, public speaking fear. Speaking fear is a basic. If I talk about we feel fear in front of the other. When we are used to talk used to talking in co-education system, we kill our fear. We kill our fear of people, of crowd, of public.
Public. Co-education kills public speaking fair.
Why do you think like this? Like we can just get this thing like fear of public, and we can speak in front of crowd. So this is not a one reason behind like co-education. We can also get these all things from the education. There are so many people who can speak in front of many people due to the education, not for the co-education. What do you think about it?
Not just because of co-education. We say that we only need education. Co-education has nothing to do with confidence building and public speaking fair.
If I talk about the distraction in co-education, so they are
So how many
increasing.
of you agree that co-education is a good system of education, or we should have separate education system? What do you think? What do you think? Separate education. Who thinks separate education? Separate education. Co-education. Why? Separate education. Why?
Because sir,
Stand up. Stand up. Stand up.
because sir, by the help of co-education, we can't speak front of the teacher because there are so many girls. If we ask the question to related the boys, so we can't ask. That's why we
Why
should,
can't you ask? Why do you need fee? Why there?
because girls always gain sympathy,
Okay.
as you people
Girls
know.
gain sympathy.
Yes.
From
From
who?
teachers.
From teacher.
Yes,
So you are
from
directly
teacher.
indicating the teacher.
Yes, sir. It's a true fact.
Okay. Okay. Fine. Continue.
Yes, yes, sir. It's a fact. That's why we should make the separate education system, or it is the main reason government doesn't accept the
Accept.
doesn't accept the co-education system.
All right. And who else thinks that separate education is better than co-education? Okay. Yes. You
Sir,
should.
the basic problem is that many parents don't want to send their children in co-education.
Okay.
Why? Because of the environment. Environment is not good because they are providing a best environment to get a date with together.
Okay.
Therefore, sir, I think that co-education is not good.
Co-education is not good. And who thinks co-education is only the option? Anyone? Okay. Aisha.
Sir, the basic thing is that if our environment is not good, so why this system is being promoted? Why all are promoting this this system?
Why all are promoting
yeah.
academies,
Yeah.
institutes, private schools, and colleges? Why
and
do
we
you
always
promote
say,
education?
and sir, we always say that private in government school there is not a good education system, but in private school there
no
is.
infrastructure.
Yeah.
Teachers are not
Yeah,
qualified.
and teachers are not behaving good with the students. So we always think that, and parents always give priority to private institutes. So it is good for us because it gives us confidence.
Okay, it gives us confidence. So, yes, Mr. Momin, do you have any question for her? If you have
As
any
she
question.
said
Yes.
that government don't allow to
Government
doesn't allow to study in a co-education.
Yes.
So why students, parents are preferring the private schools, private college, just because of the good
Why do they
environment?
prefer private schools? If parents, government, everyone is against.
You know the government school are not good. Teachers are not sincere to their job. They don't pay attention to the one student. But if I talk about the private system, they pay attention to the one student, every one student. They allow, they focus on each and every one student in a private school. So that's why the student, teacher, parents are preferring rather than government school rather than private
Okay,
schools.
what do you say? What is your response?
Actually, you said that our parents said to us like get study from the private schools, because according to my
Get education
from the private schools, and in private school there is a co-education system. So according to me, we should get education from the government schools, because there are so many people who have gotten success due to education, not due to the co-education in our country.
Alright.
If I talk about our country, so people said that like we should get education from the co-education, because they don't have mind, they don't think about the future. If we get education now, so what will happen in future? So according to my
Alright,
perspective,
alright.
we should.
Thank you very much.